you know, like all kinds of bad stuff are happening to me, but I'm okay and I'm relaxed because it's like Jesus got me, so I don't have to worry about anything, you know. So it's weird. It's like I have this tendency to want to worry, but Jesus is like, but it's another part of me is like, hey, let it fall. You know what? Jesus, make sure that I have the money to pay for this. Insurance, no insurance, I don't know. You know, I don't care. As long as I can take care of it, I'm happy. Thank you, Lord Jesus.